Okay, so hi guys. So today I'm going to show you how to use the filter method, which is a JavaScript method basically. So what filter does is it goes through the array and it returns each element that passes a certain condition. The condition is set by you. Now, it's not all the time that you need to use filter, but I'm going to show you an example here, or multiple examples. In this video, I'm going to show you how to basically filter out things you do not want. So what we have here is an array of products. The products includes names of fruits and vegetables, and with the type. The question says, say a user only wants to see the vegetable and not the fruits. How would you display it? Now, for somebody who doesn't know how to use filter, you can use map, but then you write extra codes inside. You can not really. You can still use map, uh, which will basically do the same thing as filter does because they both actually return arrays. You can also use a for loop, but that's not a smart idea. I'll show you how to use a for loop if you had no other options, which I do not require you to do, but I'll still show you how to use a for loop in this case, and then you see the difference why the filter method it's a more ideal choice. Okay, so the goal is all I want is the vegetable, not the fruits. So let's see. I'm gonna create lead filtered equals an empty array. We can do that. It's fine. And then we can say for let index whatever equals 0. Index is less than the length of the products. We can do that, and we can say index plus plus. Now, then we can say, again, I'm just showing you how to, if you were not exposed to map or you were not exposed to filter, your first choice might be to think of a for loop, which is not an ideal choice, but I'll show you how it's going to work. If let's say, what's the name? Products. If products index to get each one of them, dot type equal 3 equal sign, meaning to match all the type of the string, and also the word of the string, like character for character. Vegetable. If this is true, well, all I want you to do is I want you to push inside here. What do I want to push? That's very simple. I want to push the entire products of that specific index. Now let's see. Let's print this out. Console.log. Let's print out filtered. Okay, let's see if this is gonna work. Now clearly we should see the result here. Node test. Beautiful. So as you can see, we have all the vegetable types. So this works. I mean, this is okay. It's not ideal when you're actually creating production codes and stuff come from your database that looks like this. Let's say you have stuff that comes from Mongo, which is most of the time, and you want to filter out some things. Using a for loop is not an ideal situation. So now it's not going to work. It's just not an ideal situation, and you want to write clean codes. So now let us take a look at this for a second. Again, this is it. Now let us use filter. Let's use the filter method. So now I'm gonna say let filter small ed equals, so the products dot filter. Now I'm gonna say products, fine. I'm passing the iterator function. Now here is where the magic comes. Return, again, I'm using ES6. return product dot type if it equals vegetable. Now I'm gonna clean this up a little bit, but let's just see if it works. I'm sure it does. Console.log filtered. Now I'm gonna comment out this one, and then I'm gonna clear this. Oh, okay. Now let's run this code. Okay, it works, but what is this top thing that is printing out? I think this is from the previous one that's still printing. I don't know why. Let's clear it. Let's do it again. I'm clearing this. No test. Okay. It's printing twice. Oh, that's because I didn't save it. Look at me. I didn't save my file. Okay, I'm gonna save it. There we go. Now it's not gonna show the old stuff. Clear it. No test. There we go. Bada boom. So again, we can make this better actually. Again, the goal of this video is to teach you how to use ES6, you know, array methods and different types of methods in ES6. My last two videos talked about for each, and also talked about mapping. So this one is about filter. So let's remove we can do more. We can remove this since it's only one line. If it's one liner, after let's see, let me just remove the return. Remove this. Bring this here. Bada boom. Bada bam. Okay. Let's clear this. Node. Why am I typing slow? Boom. It works. There we go. Still works. So make sure it's not like some glitch. Do it again. Boom. Still works. Alright, as you can see, one line. When you juxtapose it to like 5 lines of the for loop over here, you decide which one you think is better. Thank you.